Well, hey, PeaRoy. How you doing there, buddy?
I'm good, Mr. Rick. How you doing? It's hot.
Yeah, I know it's hot, yeah. Heard any good jokes lately?
Yeah, I've heard a few. Why don't you tell one?
All right, well, I'll tell mine first.
All right.
Well, I went to the doctor.
To the doctor?
Yeah, and I told him I broke my arm in 2 places. He looked at me and he said, "Man, I don't believe I'd go back to them places."
I don't think I understood what you said.
I know. But remember now, these are dad jokes.
Oh,
these are dad
you're
jokes.
right. They're dad jokes. They sure are.
I was standing out there. I was with this ball. This baseball kept getting closer and closer and closer, and then it hit me.
Oh. Well, it's going to.
And then it hit me.
You got nothing?
Hey, you know why an employee at the calendar factory got fired?
No, I don't. Why'd they get fired?
Because she took off too many dates. She took a whole day off one day.
Off the calendar? Well,
these, you gotta really think, about these,
I know. I had to think a long time on that.
But I'm gonna tell you the truth, man. One time, my teacher told me one time. She says, you procrastinate too much. You ain't ever gonna amount to a thing. I looked at her and I said, "Well, just you wait."
Procrastinator. I get that
what
one now.
What have you heard?
Yeah.
Tell me a joke.
Well, okay, all right. Well, how come they call them seagulls?
I don't know why.
Well, because if they flew over the bagel, they'd be bagel. That's right.
I don't care. I get that. I didn't have to think much about that.
You are. All right. Well, I ordered a chicken from Amazon and an egg from Amazon. Well, I just wanted to see which one was gonna come first.
Which one came first? All right. You let me know when it comes. All right, give me the.
Well, I broke a finger on my hand, but on the other hand, it was all right. Yeah.
On the other hand, that's yeah. We need to remind everybody these is dad jokes, right? Yeah, again, because they are dad jokes.
All right then. Well, I went to the doctor and I told him I had a suspicious mole.
A mole?
Well, he looked at the mole and said, "No, man, they all look like that. Why don't you just leave him in your garden?"
I know what you mean, man.
Well, look here. You go ahead and tell one of them long ones.
All right, I'll tell you a long one. One time there was this man and this woman, and they looked like they'd been fussing all night long.
Oh, that's
And so the wife finally, she decides that she's going to give him the silent treatment,
Oh, I hate it when that happens.
Well, she went on to bed, and he had to get up early in the morning. She always went to bed earlier than him, so he wrote a little note and left it there on her side table because he knew she was going to wake up. It says, "Wake me up at 6 o'clock a.m. I have a flight."
A flight?
So
yeah.
Put there on her stand. He went to bed. He woke up the next morning. It was 9 o'clock. He done missed his flight and everything. He starts getting mad. He starts getting mad, and he looks over there at his table, and there's a little note, and he picks it up and says, "Wake up, it's 6 a.m.
Well, that's
poetic justice.
Yeah, that's horrible. Oh my goodness.
All right, you tell yours.
All right. Well, I'll tell my long. Okay. All right. Well, there was this man, and he went to the barber shop because he was wanting his hair cut.
Barber shop.
And he also wanted him a shave. So the man cut his hair, and he looked all good. He said, "All right, I'm ready to give you a shave now." So He said, now I want you to do me a favor. He said, I want you to take this little ball here and stick it in your mouth.
Never heard of that.
So it'll jut out there and I can give you a really close shave there. The man looks at him, well, what's gonna happen if I swallow the ball? He said, well, you do just like everybody else, just bring it back the next day. Oh, that's bad, ain't it? That's bad.
Ooh, that's not good at all, is it? No, that's not good. All right, well.
No, that's not good.
I reckon, no, don't get on back to work doing something after when it rains. Man, it's been. All right,
Look at you, a Slurpee on my show. All right, I guess so. Come on, give me something to drink. It's hot.